Wait, what?
Are you guys ready for my nails reveal? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's so cold today. What's going on? Anyways, I am getting ready for school. And I am freaking tired. I am back and ready. Oh my god, I hate the way I look. I hate my outfit. I hate everything. I tried all the hijab you can already see behind me and I didn't like none of them. So we go with black. But I really hate how I look today. Oh my goodness. Like even my outfit is so basic and just I also hate my makeup. Okay, it's okay. We have to go, so let's go to school. Thank you.
I'm going to class, but I'm kind of hungry. Didn't get breakfast. It's 8 a.m. So maybe I'll go get breakfast first and then we go to class. I start in 2 hours anyways, so let's just eat something, shall we? And oh my god, my bag is so heavy. Ugh. And you guys, you know those days when you feel so ugly? It's one of these days today. I cannot see myself in the mirror. I'm so mad at myself. Like, why do I feel like this? I should not feel like this, but I feel so ugly and so bad. And my outfit is so ugly. And I just want to go home. Okay, my tram is here. I'm gonna stop recording because I'm ugly and embarrassed, so no. Oh my god, you guys, look. This looks so good. Should I shake it? I don't want to. Oh my god, this is so good, you guys. I'm literally becoming a fan of matcha. I'm so shocked at myself. Like before, I couldn't. It was impossible. And now, not bad at all. You guys, should I go and get my nails done? I don't know. I'm really hesitating right now. Should I get my nails done or no? Like right now, I kind of want them, but then like after 2 or 3 days, I get so sick of them, and I just want them to take off. So it's just a waste of money. You know what I mean? I don't know. The nail salon is just like 3 minutes from this cafe, so I'm debating, bro. Should I do? I really want like a yellow, like spring, summer nails. And I have, like, I'm so insecure about my fingers because they are so small, bro. But you know, like us girls, we feel so much like better and fresh when we get our nails done. It's so weird. It's so weird. I can't describe the feelings. Like there is just a girls who can understand me right now. You guys ready for my nails reveal? 3, 2, 1. No, why the frick we can't see it? I mean, they're cute, but like, why? I don't know, like the lighting is bad here. I wish I would have better lighting later. Anyways, my class got cancelled, so I came to this cafe. I'm gonna study here and then I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I'm studying.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina, doce Bahia. Vejo um dominó na esquina e um banguelo sorrindo de alegria, doce Bahia. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina, enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina, enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da Cira, doce Bahia. O pivete é o meu filho, dá um troco e fecha o vidro. Doce.
Hello everyone! Please ignore all the hijab behind me. You guys, I have such a problem. Summer is coming and I have no clothes. I hate this. That's why I hate summer, bro. I hate it. I prefer so much better like the fashion in the winter than summer. Like now I'm just finding myself with this basic thing. Ugh, it makes me so mad. So please ignore the mess behind me. We will clean that later. Now I'm going to run some errands. I have some packages that I have to pick up. I am so overstimulated right now. I don't know what to do. And yeah, and today no makeup, so I feel like I'm going to the office. Anyway, I don't even know why am I filming. I'm so late. We'll catch up later, you guys, when I came back home. And I am back. I literally just went to grab packages and came back home because I don't want to stay a long time outside, otherwise I will spend all my money. So let's came back home and just see what I received. I'm so excited actually. I don't even know what is this. I think these are some PR packages. I've never done a PR packages here, so let's see what is this. Okay. Oh, this. I don't think this will help me. Ouch. Come on. I'm so lazy to go grab something else. So. Let's see what we have here. Wait, what? This is, do you know the brand Anwa or Anna? I don't know how to pronounce it. Like it's the best Korean brand skincare in Asia and Korea. It's this brand. They sent me a lot of their products. Oh my god, there's no way. I was literally gonna buy this one. You guys, I'm so happy. Like there is a bunch of products here. I am the happiest ever.
Look how much product, you guys. Thank you so much, Anwa. You are the best. I hope I'm pronouncing right, Anwa. But you are the best. Okay, next. What is this? Oh, I do know what is this. Okay, those are shoes. Oh, those are so cute for the summer. I can imagine like right now an outfit. I can't wait to take pictures with them. Oh my god. The quality, you guys, these are amazing. I'm so in love, and the color, I'm so happy. These are from the brand Windsor Smith. Windsor Smith? I'm sorry, I'm suck at like spelling brands names. But I am so happy. Thank you so much. The last package. Oh! What the hell? Oh, more skincare. Body shimmer oil. This looks amazing. Oh my god. Smells amazing. Oh my god, this smells amazing. This is perfect for the summer, you guys. What do we else have? Eye zone patch and lip oil. I'm gonna try the lip oil now. Oh, this lip oil is gorgeous. Look at the color. Ooh. I love lip oils, you guys. I prefer lip oils than lip gloss because lip oils feels like more light on your lips and it doesn't stick at all. Like, feels like you have nothing on, but your lips feels like more soft. I am in love. Super soft lip oil. Oh, see? I didn't even see it. Oh my god, thank you so much. This is from the brand Babor. Is it Babor, or in French we'll say Babor. So I'm gonna say Babor. This is from Babor. Thank you so much. So yeah, that was the packages that I received today. I love receiving PRs, you guys. It feels like a birthday. I love.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
Hello everyone, it's the next day. I got ready, I woke up today, and I am at this cute coffee shop. It's actually real cute. I didn't know that we had a coffee shop near to my university, and it's so cute. I really love it. I ordered a banana bread and a coffee latte because I didn't have breakfast yet, so cheers. I have actually class in 2 hours, so I got ready, I went out, I walked a little bit, and now I'm at this coffee shop. I'm gonna work a little bit on my laptop and then we'll go to class. It's so hot today, you guys. Oh my goodness. I already told you already know me how I hate when it's hot, which means I don't like summer. I actually have a lot of things to do today for social media. I have to film a brand deal, 2 brand deals actually, and I have to study for a test that I have for school. I have to work on my montage for this video, no, for another video. So, a lot of things to do.
Summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue.
it's gonna be a bag for grocery shop. We have cucumber, yogurts, and some granola. And my sister asked for milk, so I'm gonna buy her milk. And actually, me too. I'm gonna buy myself a milk. I don't know what to do for dinner. Gotta think about it. Maybe like some tuna, something, because I have tuna at home. So yeah.